Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Austin, Texas, seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our window contractors provide top-notch window replacement Steiner Ranch TX services, ensuring your home benefits from the latest advancements in window technology. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for residents in Austin, TX, looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows and vinyl windows offers superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce the need for excessive heating or cooling. Custom windows are an excellent option for homeowners in Steiner Ranch TX who want to add a unique touch to their homes. Our window experts specialize in designing and installing custom windows that perfectly match your home's style and architecture, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Window replacement Steiner Ranch TX services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window replacement solutions, including window glass replacement, window frame replacement, and window screen replacement, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. Home window replacement is a significant investment for Austin residents, and our residential window services are designed to make the process seamless and stress-free. We offer a wide range of window styles and designs to suit any home, providing expert window consultation and measurement services to ensure a perfect fit. Window glass replacement in Steiner Ranch TX is a critical service for addressing issues such as cracks or fogging in your windows. Our skilled technicians provide efficient and affordable window glass replacement solutions, restoring the clarity and functionality of your windows. Vinyl window installation in Austin TX is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durable and low-maintenance window options. Our window contractors specialize in installing high-quality vinyl windows that offer excellent insulation and weather resistance, making them ideal for the Texas climate. Window frame replacement in Austin is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our experienced team provides expert window frame replacement services, addressing issues such as rot, warping, or damage to ensure your windows remain secure and functional. Window screen installation in Steiner Ranch is a valuable service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's ventilation while keeping pests out. Our window experts offer professional window screen installation, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Window upgrade services in Austin TX are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Our window replacement Steiner Ranch TX team provides a range of window upgrade options, including energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows, to help you achieve your home improvement goals. Window maintenance in Steiner Ranch is crucial for preserving the performance and appearance of your windows. Our comprehensive window maintenance services include window sealing, window caulking, and window inspection, ensuring your windows remain in top condition year-round. Window sealing in Austin TX is an essential service for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our window contractors provide expert window sealing solutions, using high-quality materials to ensure a tight seal and optimal insulation.